We are cooking with gas now. I was just getting ready to do the premium, but I was like, let me check one more thing. I got back to these freaking droids and which one's which doing in here, and I found this code. This is the one I was looking for because I can actually get this to outspit some stuff that I needed to do. Now, this is going to be important for later because this is actually a very difficult problem and a bunch of different things. And I can even actually extend this off once I find the bottom limit. I'm just going to start working over in the code to build this matrix, but I need to do it first off of gravity. I need to build it off of 0 because I'm imagine this is probably short of what these numbers could represent later. Into some things, we're going to change some of this around, doing some things about what this is. And so this is, I would imagine, the early thinking foundations about this, because this is super important. Now, short of this being a have to do a thing, I can make one of those. I can figure out what that is off of this sequence by using this variable, okay? And this is hello world, basic stuff. And from the basic program, which the widget graph here, remember we're in A2 at this point. I had to do this. This is this one, which is hello world. This is the HML, right? And we want to make sure we're staying inside of that sequence inside here because that's going to be important for other things we do here in a minute. So as you do that, let's see if we go back here. We need to do this, right? So we'll say that's 3 because that's already where we're generally at in the code, and we'll say okay. Okay, and so we got this back here. Now what we need to do here's we need to take out the text and the heading, and what we also need to do is take out this pop out. 2 things, and we can do that in one action right here. Okay, I do believe this was it. If I do this, I backspace it, and we say backspace again, backspace again, backspace again, do something to this effect, it'll say hello world in this top right corner or top left corner. Okay, pretty simple action. Hello world, that is just where we want her. Don't care about the text styles yet. It might have been important, but it doesn't become important here until a little bit. Now, if we go back to what I was doing, let's go back to A2. Now we're starting to build this little bit of code sequence where I can actually do something. She done something. She's up to trouble and no good. And like I said, I'll build this matrix off once I get in here or run out of space or decide what pattern of prime standard models I want to build off of and see where we're going. Catch you on the next one.